Offshore renewable energy is an essential part of the successful energy transition in the Netherlands. TKI Wind op Zee supports business, knowledge institutes, government and social institutions to collaborate towards the energy system of the future. This also includes the support for a project called Solar SeaII. This project contributes to opening up new areas, namely at sea, for large-scale application of solar energy using photovoltaic technology, also known as PV. Application of floating PV parks at sea offers great opportunities, but also has a number of important challenges.
We are part of a consortium, and the consortium consists of Blue Water together with TNO, GNAP, Endurance and Advanced University, and we have teamed up to face these challenges. In this project, the consortium demonstrates a new offshore floating solar system that is affordable because it uses air to make the PV panels float.
This floating solar concept would be based on flexible floaters and flexible PV modules combined. The big challenge in general for offshore floating PV is to get a concept that is both robust, it can last for more than 20 years, and it is cost effective. So we conducted tests at Marin with the same floaters that we apply here, and these tests showed that the floaters behave as predicted, and we are confident that they are well suited for application at sea.
Offshore operations are costly. That's why we seek for solutions would be to minimize the cost of transporting materials onto the North Sea. So by having it compact and unfold it, unroll it, and install it on location in such a way like a membrane structure, I think we can minimize these costs. You know, it's a lightweight inflated structure, but of course at sea you will have severe weather conditions and heavy loads on it by wind and waves. So in order to keep it stable at the location and also to prevent it to lift off into the air, we constructed so-called ballast loops under the floater, which will automatically fill up with water and giving it ballast to stay in place and not lift off.
Couple of options. If you want to moor something, you can try to keep it in one place, very stiffly moored, or you can let it go a bit more and go along with the waves. And we choose for this project for the latter to limit the loads, the total loads on the mooring. So all our floaters can really go with the waves as a wave rider on top of the waves. And this way we experience the least amount of drag is our expectation. There are always challenges. We have to go to open water, and the North Sea is quite harsh, as you might know.
The next step is that the partners are going to build a larger system for testing in the North Sea, offshore the Netherlands. And after we have successfully tested this project, we are ready for commercial projects. We already received quite some interest from commercial parties, from wind farm owners, for example, to have these systems inside the farm, but also from other places in the world where more sun is shining.
Are you also working on an innovation? And would you like to know what TKI Wind op Zee can do for you? Please contact us.